It's good to see you again.
Because we're two health-conscious individuals.
Yeah.
We like to eat healthy, and we love fruit.
And today we're making a fruit salad for you, which is pretty simple and pretty easy actually.
Mm-hmm.
And what do we have today, Matt?
Well, we got some these red delicious apples once again.
Okay.
Some delicious oranges, very sweet. It's perfect time. It's December time for oranges.
We've got kiwis.
Fuzzy kiwis.
And we've got...
Bananas!
We love bananas!
Bananas.
I was about to start dancing. Okay.
It's bananas, B-A-N-A-N-A-S. It's bananas, B-A-N-A-N-A-S.
I have a question. Which animal likes the bananas the most? Correct! Monkeys like the bananas most. It's the most very well. Okay, before we start our fruit salad, which is pretty simple, what do? We wash our fruits again, right? We wash them first, and then we...
Even the oranges. Don't forget to wash the oranges.
Okay, and we peel the fruits, okay? We make them ready for you, but then we chop the fruits, right? So, what are we gonna put in the salad?
Well, I think this fruit salad would go great with these oranges, which are very, very juicy and they're so sweet, so full of flavor.
Okay, so we're putting some fruits in it. Are these small enough?
I think that we should chop them a little bit more to make them more bite-sized.
Okay.
Probably pretty good for the oranges. What do we have next?
What do we have? How about some apples?
Ooh, some sour apples, very good.
And some bananas maybe?
Bananas. The bananas are going to be a nice balance to the sour green apples and that kiwi.
And
Finally,
we've got some
kiwi.
Yeah.
Already peeled, already washed.
And kids, you're not allowed to play with the knife on yourselves. Parents, please be careful while you're dealing with them. Maybe the parents can chop them and the kids can put them in the bowl and they can mix them.
Ooh, my favorite part.
And they can help their mummies or daddies wash up the dishes, right? That's a good idea. Why? Because helping is caring.
Yeah, helping is caring. You know what else is also caring? Sharing is caring.
And that's what good friends do. And because we're good friends, we love to share this fruit salad. And now what do?
Shall you mix it? Do you want me to mix it?
You mix it.
All right, let me just roll up my sleeves a little bit here. I'll get my hands ready. I've already washed my hands. Oh, it's so cold. This is the fun part. Mixing all this delicious, sweet fruit here.
I'm looking forward to eating it.
It smells great. All right, I think it's pretty well mixed. Let me just quickly wash my hands.
Okay. Normally, some people put some syrup in this, or they add some sugar in it, or you can add some honey in it. But because these fruits are already sweet enough, or they put some cream in it. But because we like it healthy, we don't put anything extra in it because the salad itself is so delicious. You want to give it a try?
I would love to give it a try. Here we go.
Oh my!
I really love kiwi, and this orange looks really good too.
Look at it.
Whoa, that orange is really nice.
I love the kiwi in it. More than actually, I love all of them.
Hold on, let me try some of this apple and banana. Wait for it.
We should have made more actually. Make some more for 2 people. For 2 hungry people like us.
This isn't enough. I need more.
We'll keep on eating this, so we will see you later.
One thing for next time, we have to add grapes.
Grapes?
Grapes next time.
Grapes would go really well as well. Okay.
Thanks for joining us. See you guys.